beautiful Kansas City 989 Rock. Kansas City's Rock Station, also 98 Rock.
All buttoned up. No leaks. Sounds like it should. The timing was over advanced like 7 degrees too, but I don't know what the deal with that was. I did have it blocked off the first time, but it is what it is.